Hey there, I'm Iman and this is Refactoring LAB. We are going to refactor our last project named Folder Cleaner that we just code that's so messy, and we are going to refactor it and make it more customizable, efficient and more readable. We are going to do it inside another branch named Feature Refactoring. Okay, for refactoring I'm going to keep some lines and remove rest of them. I will remove from here to down. Okay. Here I'm going to get path, and here the path will enter by user, and this is the final result. Okay, so I'm going to keep file extensions and category inside a private static dictionary. Which have a string as extension and a string as category. We're going to call it file categories. Okay, here we can customize our code without changing or getting lost in some if and else. We can just add our extensions here like this, and the category like this. So we have images, we have videos and documents. That's enough for now. We can add new extensions here if we want, but for now that's enough. And here we need a function to check if entered pass by user is valid, and we are going to name it private boolean is pass valid. We get path, so if the entered pass single is null, the space path return false. If directory directory dot exist pass return true, here return false. Okay, so we need to check the path here. If is path valid, if it's not true, just return here. It should be static. Okay, so here we have a path that we just checked that, and the path is correct. Okay, after this if, we now here have a path that we know that's correct, and we must get the files, but I'm going to do it inside another method, private async let's call it task organizer. Async, and we get the path that we just checked it, and that's correct. To get the files, var files equals to directory that get files path. Okay, and here we need a variable to keep the tasks. Okay, for each file in files. Okay, each file of the files have a file name, so string file name equals to path.get file name, and of course they have an extension, so string extension equals to path.get extension path.get extension file, and we need to get the category. Okay, we have the list here, and we must check which one of categories match this extension. So we need another method, so private static string find category string extension. Okay, here we must check the categories and compare them with the extension to find which category will be the best match for this extension. So if the string that is null or empty is null or is null or empty extension, here we should just return other, and here that we know the extension is not empty or not, we should check with our list, so return file categories dot try get value file extension, and we need the category as output, and if there wasn't any best match we will return other by default. Okay, so find category here will help us here. The string category to get find category by extension. Here we have file name, file extension, and the category. Let's correct this. Okay, now then we need the target directory, string target directory equals to path dot combine path and category, like the folder name, the source folder name slash the category. The category could be images, other, video, or docs. Now we have the target directory. We must check if the target directories exist or not. So this is correct. If it does not exist, we should create it. Directory.create directory, target directory. Okay. Now we have the target directory for this file. After target directory, we need to check for something else. We need to check if the file is already exist in the target directory or not. For that, we need target file path. So string target file path equals to path.combine target directory to file name. Okay, if file that exists target file path, just here we must log it, console.log, console.writeLine already exists. And then we need to continue. What if the file does not exist and everything is fine? We need a file and we are going to move it to the target file path. Here we want to add another method, private static async task move files. Here we get the string as a source path and a string as dist path. We are going to use file string for both parameters using file string source stream equals to new file stream equals to new file stream here, and the source path, the file mode is open, file access is read, and file share is none, the buffer is 4096, and the options is asynchronous. We need another one for destination path, so this string needs this path. The file mode is create here, the file access is write, and and that's it, and that's it and that's it. At the end we are going to await source stream.copy to async this stream, and after copy we are going to file that delete source path. This is for safety, we are not going to move it. We first copy and then delete it. And here console.writeLine dollar sign here path dot get file name source path. try catch block, and we are going to throw the exception here. Okay, we are going to use this method here. Move tasks dot add move file, the file, and the target file path here. Here we will write await task when all move tasks, and after that this block will end. We are going to keep this block inside the try catch 2 for better safety, like this, and that's it. So we are just going to call the organize async with the path as parameter, and the project is done. We have an error here. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to test it right now. We have another test folder named test. I'm going to copy the path here and just run the project. We will enter the path here and enter. The process cannot access the file 1.mp3 because it is being used by another process. I'm going to just change the usings and limit them to a block like this, and we will create a block here, and the copy line will be executed in this block, and after the block has been end, these streams will be disposed to, so the delete operation will be done successfully. We are going to test it again. Here the path, and that's it. All files have been moved, and this is the result. That's enough for this refactor, and I'm going to push this change to the feature refactoring branch right now. You can have it, you can work on it if you want. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like, and if you have any project idea in your mind, let me know. We will do it together here, and thank you.